Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because there are two reasons why I'm really excited. Number one is because I have three kind of tips or helpful ideas to decluttering your home, and I'm excited to share those with you. Because the second reason I'm excited, I am hosting a collaboration, and this is a monthly collaboration. And so once a month, I'm going to be bringing you a video of decluttering tips, just me decluttering. But the name of this collaboration is Clutter Free in 2023. I want 2023 to be the best year for you as far as getting your house the way you want it. Decluttering makes you so happy. It just makes you feel lighter and less stressed when you don't have a lot of clutter around. So those are the two reasons I'm excited. So let me go ahead and share with you a few little tips on decluttering. Now look, I do not claim to be an expert on decluttering or organizing, but these are just some things that I feel like that work for me, and so I wanted to share those with you. Some people are list makers, some people are goal oriented, some people just, they just fly by the seat of their pants. Sometimes I'm actually kind of that way, but when it comes to decluttering and organizing, I feel like making those lists and checking them off just helps me to feel better. When I make a list, that's number one. The number one tip I have for you, or bit of helpful information, is to make a list. I know that when I make a list, I don't make big lists like clean my room or do laundry. I make smaller bits, like I may say wash towels, wash whites, wash darks, wash delicates. That way I don't have to wait until all of that's done before I can check something off of a list. That's just how I am. Some people like the bigger picture. I'm just more into the smaller details because it just makes me feel better when I know that I'm checking something off of a list. Now, I found a list of things to declutter. Someone had posted it on their social media, and so I saved it to my phone because I think it's an awesome list. But if you don't know where to get started with your list of things to declutter, then check out if you are not following me on Instagram, I'm gonna put my Instagram tag down below and also in my description box. Go find me on Instagram because I'm going to post that list of things to declutter. But this little things to declutter list is it's a great start. If you don't know where to start in making your list, then this is something that you could print out. You could just copy it, save it on your phone. But this is a great place to start in getting that list made and ready for you to be able to start your decluttering journey. Before I go into the second little trick or tip that I have for decluttering, I want to let you know that because this is a collaboration, there are a whole group of awesome YouTube friends that I have made, and they also wanted to be part of this collaboration kind of challenge. So I will have the link to the playlist in the description box below. So if you are on a decluttering journey and that is your goal for 2023, then this playlist is going to help you to get that started and get it done. Like I said, every month it's going to be one video a month. so we're not going to overwhelm you, which takes me to tip number 2. Tip number 2 is to take baby steps. I know this sounds really just simple, but I know me, I get overwhelmed. If I start something and it becomes too big, I just get overwhelmed and I just quit. And I just, throw things in a box and just shove it somewhere. But if you take baby steps, you are more likely to get things finished. And also that's where the list comes in. When you're decluttering, don't think I'm going to do all of this month or this week or today. If you do that, you're just going to get overwhelmed because your house is going to become a mess. So I am a firm believer in baby steps. Every month, I'm going to focus on, one main room or one main challenge. And within that challenge, I'm going to do baby steps. Maybe, empty out one drawer a day, declutter one drawer a day, or declutter, 2 drawers a week or something, just setting the small goals for yourself. But take those baby steps because it is just going to make your decluttering journey a lot easier, a lot more organized, and you're likely to stick with it because you're not going to try to tackle, a whole pack of bears all at one time. You're taking down one bear at a time. Now, that leads me to the third little tip or bit of information that is so important to keep in mind. The third tip is to remember, decluttering is not organizing. I know most of the time you see, let's declutter and organize. I have found, in my opinion, it is better especially if you are going to focus on, say, your closet. It's so much better to go ahead and declutter what you're going to declutter. And when I say everything, I don't mean all at one time. But if your focus for January is going to be your closet, well, go ahead and declutter first. Just declutter. My focus for January is my closet. So I have been decluttering a drawer. If I have it literally takes like 5 minutes for me to declutter a drawer. When I opened my drawer that had my pajamas in it, it's messy, which is not like me. My drawers are usually very neat and organized, but because I had collected so much over time, it became too full to put anything in. And so that's why I knew that's where I wanted to start. So I just opened the drawer, took out what I never wear, which is usually at the bottom, let's be honest, but I took those things out, bagged them up, and set them in a space where you know that you are going to take whatever it is you're decluttering and you're going to donate it. So once I have decluttered everything in my closet that I'm going to declutter, then I will start the organizing process. Now, my closet's pretty organized because it has just been organized, but I need to go back in and I need to reorganize some of those drawers that have just kind of gotten out of hand. So that is my focus for January, is to declutter my closet. So remember, your first tip is to make your list. You want to try to be as minutely detailed as possible. That way it makes you feel more accomplished when you do check off some of those things that you wanted to get done. Number 2 is take baby steps. Do not try to get it all done at one time. You will become overwhelmed and then you will just give up. So take baby steps. And again, number 3 is to remember that decluttering is not organizing. Just declutter. Since I have mentioned that my closet is going to be my January focus, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the things that I did to declutter my closet. If you have been subscribed to my channel, make sure if decluttering this year is your goal, make sure to click that bell button if you have not already, because it's gonna let you know every time I upload a new video. But if you're new to my channel, I would love to welcome you. And if you like meal ideas, home decor, home organization, shopping hauls, then I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. In a couple of videos ago, I actually stated my goal for the year is to be at 2,500 subscribers by the end of the year, but it was pointed out to me by my very smart mathematician son that I'm shortchanging myself. So I've changed my goal to 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you have not subscribed, I would love it if you would help me reach my goal and click that subscribe button. And leave me a comment below if your goal is to declutter, and let me know where you're gonna get started. Please give this video a thumbs up because it does let YouTube know that you're watching my channel, and I really do appreciate you stopping by. I really hope that you join me in this clutter-free in 2023 journey. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist for this collaboration in the description box below. When you go to all the other YouTubers' videos or their channels, make sure that you tell them that I sent you. Show them a little bit of love and subscribe to their channels if you're not already. And I will see you next time. Bye.